What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be digitizing a very simple design. All right, the first thing we're going to do is import our logo. And this one, I'm going to make it 4x4. So I'm going to make a square using the rectangle tool. And I'm going to click on the satin. And I'm going to click on unlock proportional scaling. And I'm going to change it to 3.9. 3.9 by 3.9. Anything extra it adds, I'm just going to remove it. So 3.9, 3.9. Perfect. I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna put position X and Y 0, 0, just so it's centered. I'm gonna click on the design. Oh, it's already locked again. I'm gonna type in 3.9 over here. I'm gonna click 0 so it zooms in. And now I'm gonna on the design, I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna adjust it right here, and I'm gonna try to make it like the biggest possible that I can, so it fits in the center of the design of that rectangle. Okay, I'm gonna move it just a bit slightly. Okay, now we're good. It's 3.9 by 3.9. So now I'm gonna click delete on this. I'm gonna click K on this, which will lock it. Let me see. Object properties, clear object list. Let me lock this into place. So now I locked it and now I'm ready to digitize it. Now I'm just gonna click on my ellipse tool and I'm gonna try to get it perfectly. But if I can't, it's fine. Let me see. Too much. I'll just adjust it after digitizing it. So let me see. Enter. And I'm gonna click on satin. I'm gonna right click this object properties. I'm gonna type in 2 milliliters. I feel like that's a little bit too small. 3 milliliters. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna click H. No, actually I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna drag this down. And let me see. I think that's all I had to adjust. Yeah, that's all I had to adjust. So we're gonna go right there. Now I'm gonna click on my complex fill. I'm gonna start over here, which left click straight points, right click curve points. Any adjustments you can make at the end if you don't like it. Hold control to make it a straight point straight across. Almost done. Enter. Enter again. I'm gonna put the start point right here and then point right there, and I'm gonna give it an angle of. I can't even see the angle. So I'm actually just gonna click it. I'm gonna right click it, object properties. I'm gonna type in 135. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click actually both of these. I'm gonna click object properties, connectors, jump, and on this one I'm gonna let me see. I'm gonna add underlay of tatami, and on this one I'm gonna add edge run and a zigzag. Okay, and for the fill, I'm gonna change. I mean, for the fill, where is it at? For the outline, I'm gonna change it to 0.38. Okay, this one we have everything good. Okay, now I'm gonna click on that tatami again. I'm gonna click on simple offsets. The spacing has to be 0.01 satin column. I'm gonna click OK. It's gonna make me a satin column, a satin outline around the tatami. I'm gonna click object properties. I'm gonna change that to like 1.1 milliliters. And I'm gonna click right here on lap corners. So you see this ugly like edge part? It's gonna fix it. There we go. And let me see that spacing for that outline again, 0.38. And connectors jump so it doesn't run to my star. Okay, now for this star, I'm gonna click on the complex fill. I'm gonna start right here. Enter, enter, start, endpoint, and then give it that angle. I'm gonna click it. I'm gonna click Shift I, but because it's way too close to this, I'm gonna click on while it's selected. I'm gonna click on the right arrow. See, just to give it like it's spacing between it, so it doesn't like when embroidery, it's not touching that part. See, H start endpoint. Let me see. And I believe that we're done here. I'm gonna change these to all of this to black. Let's see, color 9. And actually for this one, I'm gonna change that spacing to 0.38 as well. And we should be good to go. Except edge run and zigzag for this one. Edge run, zigzag. There we go. Got its underlay. And I'm actually gonna select these last two, and I'm gonna change the pull comp to 23. There we go. Actually, right here, I forgot that, I don't know, for some reason it didn't save it or something. Edge run and a zigzag. Edge run, zigzag. Confirming everything's right. Edge run, zigzag, perfect. I'm about to embroider it, and I'm gonna show you guys the results. All right, here are the results. Came out perfect. I'll be making more digitizing tutorials soon. This was actually a design sent to me by someone that found me on TikTok. I told him to send me the image on Instagram, and yeah, I made a quick tutorial for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.